3. Oh, we not there yet, Esther. Oh, you're like 10 steps ahead of us. For real, you're like 10 steps ahead of me. I'm not even there yet in my lesson plan. 1 and 0. So expectations are all of you are supposed to answer this. Only 23 of you answered. So let's talk about it. Tell me why you think that it does not work. Let's go, Esther. Nope. Let me hear from Najee. Tell me why you think it's gonna work for all. Okay. And then we're gonna go Layla, Madison, Martin, and then we're gonna wrap up with London. Go ahead. Why do you think it's gonna work? Why do you think it's not gonna work? My bad. You said no. Why do you think it's not gonna work? Tell me why you think it's not gonna work. Hey, I called on people. Go ahead.
I don't think it will work because all equations, because some equations have different variables and can't do it like that.
Okay. Next person.
I agree with Layla. Like, for example, you gave us different plugins, and it's different ways that you can work on that equation other than this. And I don't think one what is it called? One worth ethic or one thing to solve.
So my question was, sorry, I'm gonna pause you right there, and I get that, right? Because right now you're learning your term test. Or 3 ways when you go to college, you're gonna learn the 4 ways. So you learn 2 other ways. I get that, but I want you to think: does the Eagles method will it work for all equations? Will the Eagles way, where he added them, work for all equations? That's the question you're asking. Next person.
I'm starting to think yes, but I picked no because I don't think you can always eliminate a part of the equation.
You're saying yes, you can't always eliminate. Next person. I called on you, London. Thank you, London. I called on Lanaya, and then Jerome, I see you have your hand up.
You ain't calling me.
I did. I thought I did. I didn't. I called on who else?
That's it.
Great. Jerome, I see you have your hand up. Please share out. And then Maya. Go ahead. Jerome and then Maya. Jerome.
I think it's no, because like for equations with both of the variables have like a positive number after it and then before it. When you're adding them, you're just gonna get a larger version, so it's not really gonna help.
Oh, so you're saying it's gonna be a larger version. Okay, so if I'm thinking about A and B, which one would Diego's method work for? Maya? Jamaya?
Can you say that again?
If I'm thinking about the system of equations for system A or system B, which system would Diego's method work?
A.
Why would it work for A and not B?
It will work for A and not B because I don't know. I just solved it.
Okay, tell me why it will work for system A and not system B, Alexia. And then we're gonna move on. Esther, Mike, picture out the last thing you had in the chat.
It must be opposite sides for them to cross out each other.
It must be opposite signs, right? I just talked about a number and it's opposite. It must be opposite signs. So I want you guys to think of a way that we can make system B work using elimination. What can we do to system B? If we know that system A, we can add it for it to work. What can we do to system B to use elimination? Throw it in the chat. 10, 9, 8. What can we do to system B? Yes, yes. 5. Throw it in the chat. What do you think we can do in system B to make system B use elimination? 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Maddie M, tell me what you said, and then London, tell me how you can do that. Go ahead, Maddie M.
I said isolate Y.
Great. Isolate Y. How can you isolate Y, London?
By subtracting.
By subtracting. Ooh, does anyone else see that? Does anyone else see that? If I subtract, can anyone see that? No? Y'all don't see it yet? No? 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 Okay, so let us move into the model portion. Here we go. What I'm going to model to you is using elimination. Solving the system using elimination and subtracting.